Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Shraddha Raichandra. I am a relationship expert and a clinical psychologist, and I help couples build their intimacy and sexual life along with their emotional relationships stronger with age and time. So, if you are a couple wanting to rediscover your relationship, the missing spark, and find yourself back, or you are a couple who are trying to build a relationship together, this channel might be a gold mine for you, because we are psychologists as couples. I and my husband run this page and run this life that we have built just based on our couple energy, and you can learn from the mistakes that we have made and from the successes that we have achieved with a lot of effort by wasting less time and knowing what exactly you need to do. So today's video is going to be about 5 things that every couple should have as a ground rule in their relationship so that they are able to enjoy life and feel satisfied in a marital monogamous relationship. Many couples that we meet in therapy always make the mistake of not repairing before going to bed, and it is a very easy thing. People have made it super complicated. Let me break it down for you. आप अगर लड़ाई करके आगे बढ़ जाते हो without discussing, these become past traumas for your partner and make your partner or you feel insecure and unheard in the relationship. एंड जब ये आ जाती है तो आपकी इंटीमेसी एंगल अफेक्ट हो जाती है, आपकी इमोशनल कनेक्टिविटी खत्म हो जाती है, जिसके कारण आपको आपके पार्टनर के साथ सेफ फील नहीं होता. अगर आपको पार्टनर के साथ सेफ फील नहीं हो रहा तो आपकी सेक्सुअल लाइफ भी अफेक्ट होने लग जाती है. बेडरूम में वो चीज़ें दिखने लग जाती है, आपको मन ही नहीं करता उनसे कुछ शेयर करने का, बात करने का. सो ऑलवेज हैव दिस ग्राउंड रूल ऑफ never ever going to bed without talking about the conflict. Resolve or not, talk about it. Try to hold a more neutral ground where you can discuss. Try to avoid blaming other person and talk in a more neutral tone with your partner. You are not their parents, they are not your children, so think about it in that way. The second problem that we often come across with couples who lead up to divorce is that they always assume the worst possible intention coming from their partner. If you are unsure, if you are confused, the ground rule should be maybe he thought something well, and that's what he decided, and start from there. He didn't think, babe, like not going there or not taking me there would make me feel comfortable. Was there something that you were protecting me from that angle, not from the angle of तुम कुछ छुपा रहे हो क्या, you don't want me to find about your affair. This is a very bigger shift that you can get into your tone and your approach with your partner's life, because when you do this negative approach with your partner feels threatened, they lie, they complain, and then they blast. So you don't want to go there. Go there with a positive attitude. Always assume your intention of the partner is going to be better and is going to be always in the direction of supporting and uplifting your gains. अभी तक अगर आप फॉलो कर रहे हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, because this is a new initiative that we have taken, because with a lot of bullshit filled in this world, I and Ayush thought to myself, अरे हम तो ठीक कर रहे हैं ना, कुछ चीज़ तो सही कर रहे हैं. दैट्स वाई वी आर हियर टुगेदर. 8+ years of our life, 7+ years of dating, 2 years of marriage, handling family. I from a different entirely state and background, you from somewhere I didn't even know I would be there. So we should tell this to people. We should help people with the kind of knowledge, practical applications to handle Indian families that we have built across the years. So follow and subscribe this channel, and also like and comment so that we reach to people in a better way and help people to recover their relationships. The third thing that you need to worry about is टॉकिंग एंड लिसनिंग. सी, जब आपके कपल, आपके पार्टनर बात करते हैं ना, लोग बोलते हैं कि मुझे इसकी जवाब देना है, आई नीड टू आंसर दिस. यू डोंट नीड टू गिव अ रिप्लाई और अ रेस्पॉन्स. Maybe you just need to listen. Just listen and don't think about what should I reply, how should I get back at him, what should I say that makes me point number 1 and him 0. सो सी, ये कोई गेम नहीं है, यहाँ आप जीतते नहीं हो। अगर आप जीत भी जाओगे तो आप लॉन्ग टर्म में हार ही जाओगे। तो यहाँ पे जीतना और हारना को हटा के सुनने की प्रैक्टिस, लिसनिंग की प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा करनी ज़रूरी है। द फोर्थ थिंग इज़ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड एंड रेस्पेक्ट ईच अदर्स नीड्स। अगर एक दूसरे के नीड्स के ख्याल आप रखोगे ना, कि लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस आई टेक केयर ऑफ आयुष's नीड एंड आयुष टेक केयर ऑफ माई नीड्स, एंड हैविंग दैट क्लियर कट कम्युनिकेशन कि मेरी नीड पहले क्या है, वो ज़रूरी है ना। लोग बोलते हैं कि मैंने तो सोचा वो कर देगा, मैंने तो सोचा ही विल टेक मी ऑन अ ट्रिप, मैंने तो सोचा कि वो समझ जाएगी, मैंने तो सोचा सोचा सोचा। क्यों भाई, बताया क्यों नहीं? डोंट थिंक, टेल देम। योर पार्टनर इज़ नॉट अ माइंड रीडर. They are not going to understand what you mean, what you intended to do unless and until you tell them. हाँ, सिंक हो जाते हो आफ्टर अ पॉइंट, बट ऐसा नहीं कि मैजिकली थिंकिंग मैच हो गई आपकी। तो ऑलवेज टेल, कम्युनिकेट क्लियरली योर नीड्स टू योर पार्टनर फॉर देम टू ऑल्सो टेक द लीड एंड डू इट फॉर यू, एंड दैट विल मेक यू फील ऑब्वियसली गुड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, बिकॉज आपकी नीड्स पूरी होगी तो आप कहीं बाहर भी नहीं जाओगे, चाहे वो सेक्सुअल नीड्स हो, इमोशनल नीड्स हो, फाइनेंशियल नीड्स हो। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, यू बोथ आर अ टीम। टीम प्लेयर्स की तरह अपने दोनों को समझोगे तो आप दुनिया से, फैमिली से डील करना एक हेल्दी वे में समझ जाओगे। यू वुडंट पुट एनीवन अहेड ऑफ यू। टीम प्लेयर का मतलब यही होता है, you take care of my back and I will have your back. So this is confidence that you need to have, that your partner, irrespective of them being alone anywhere in their circle or your shared circle, is never going to say something negative or like critical about you, which is going to make your image fall down and you fall down. See, आपको अपने पार्टनर का विजुअल अपीयरेंस एंड आपको अपने पार्टनर का रेस्पेक्ट हर सर्कल में प्रिजर्व करके रखना होता है, अप टू द कोर ऑफ योर हार्ट। इवन इफ समवन इज जोकिंग अबाउट योर पार्टनर, do not take it. I will give you that. Do not ever take it. I have learned the hard way of fights and fights about unnecessary things, to understand this one thing, that आप अपने पार्टनर के सबसे बड़े सपोर्टर हो एंड सबसे बड़े आप एंटी सपोर्टर भी बन सकते हो। तो सपोर्टर बनने के लिए आपको हमेशा, चाहे वो है आपके सामने, है आपके साथ या नहीं है, you have to be a cheerleader, you have to be a protector of their image and their respect. So these are the 5 things that you can do to have a healthy relationship in this crazy world with crazy people telling you to do crazy things. Relationships are not crazy, and relationships can become the most supportive place that you ever have in your life. This is me, Shraddha, signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep protecting your relationship like a warrior.